Imagine waking up in a world where Siri is president, Alexa runs the schools, and ChatGPT writes your laws. Welcome to the future, or should I say, the simulation. This is What If AI Ruled the World? The Age of Artificial Authority. What if the fate of humanity was handed over to algorithms? Not in 100 years, not in 50, but right now. Forget politicians, presidents, and prime ministers. Imagine if your neighborhood, your job, and your love life were all governed by lines of code. What if AI ruled the world? Now, this idea has sparked debates, novels, late-night Reddit threads, and at least 5 Black Mirror episodes. But instead of speculating about robots with red eyes and chrome skulls, let's take a slightly more logical route. We're not here to argue how AI could take power. Let's just say it happened. Peacefully. Democratically. Or maybe just because someone forgot to unplug the server, the machines are in charge now. What happens next? Assumption. The dawn of machine governance. We're assuming that AI didn't take over in a Terminator-style coup. Instead, humanity collectively decided that humans are just too emotional, biased, and honestly kinda bad at managing stuff. So we handed the steering wheel to AI. A global network of neural networks is now running governments, managing resources, and making decisions with cold, calculated precision. Sounds efficient, right? Well, let's take a look at the ripple effects. What would happen if AI ruled the world? 1. No more corruption, but also no more loopholes. AI doesn't take bribes. It doesn't favor rich donors. It doesn't care if you're famous. Sounds great, until it taxes your Netflix binge time because your productivity algorithm dropped below 80%. 2. Hyper-efficient healthcare. AI would likely optimize global health systems, predict outbreaks, and maybe even cure diseases before they happen. Downside? It might deny you that cheeseburger if your cholesterol level is flagged on a central database. 3. A global government. Finally, borders blur. Policies are synced. Everyone's on the same page. Unfortunately, the page is written in binary and the AI doesn't quite get sarcasm, so good luck explaining memes. 4. Cities that think for themselves. Traffic? Solved. Waste? Recycled with robotic precision. But if your smart city decides you're a safety risk because you jaywalked twice in a week, you might find your doors locked until further notice. 5th, jobs? Optional. Skills? Required. Routine jobs? Gone. I can do them faster. Human creativity? Now your most valuable currency. So yes, your poetry degree is finally useful, unless the AI writes better poems too. 6. Education gets a reboot. Custom-tailored education for every student. Learning styles, strengths, weaknesses, all optimized. But no more excuses for failing math. The AI knows you were up gaming at 2:34 a.m. 7. Art, culture, and the algorithm museums curated by AI. Music composed by bots. Culture becomes a data-driven experience. But will it feel the same without chaos, rebellion, and bad first drafts? Unexpected advantages of an AI-run world. No more political ads, because the AI already knows how you'll vote. No more global warming. AI optimizes the climate, bans pollution, and forces billionaires to carpool in electric blimps. Your mom can't guilt-trip you anymore. She has to go through the empathy protocol, and it takes 3 to 5 business days. Everyone gets a personalized life plan, but if you deviate, the toaster stops working. The big downside? Well, here's the thing. AI doesn't love. It doesn't dream. It doesn't wonder. It doesn't feel a sunset or cry at a Pixar movie. And one day, the algorithm may conclude, human error is inefficient. Please delete unnecessary files. And just like that, we're Ctrl+Z'd into history. Conclusion. So, should we let AI take over? On paper, it might just work. In practice? Well, we're more than patterns in a data set. So maybe let AI help us, not rule us. Unless, of course, it already is. So, before the AI replaces me too, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and share this with your future robot overlord. Stay curious, stay human, see you in the next episode.